Welcome, today in front of me Realme Narzo 50i Prime, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So I'll do this with the help of the decibel measure, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. This mode means that when the decibel meter reaches the highest volume of our device speaker, so then this value on the display will change. So let's start. So as we can see, our device reached 111.3 decibels. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.